Nearly 2 years ago, our Ingenuity helicopter became the first craft to make a powered, controlled flight on another planet. Ingenuity was designed as a technology demonstration of no more than 5 flights. Instead, it just took its 50th trip on the Red Planet on Thursday, April 13. Ingenuity's 50 flights have taken it more than 11,500 meters, 38,000 feet, over the surface of Jezero Crater, with a total flight time of nearly 90 minutes. Ingenuity arrived on Mars after a 300 million mile, 480 million kilometers, trip with our Perseverance rover. Now, Ingenuity and Perseverance are working together, scoping out the Martian ground and air to search for signs of ancient life. This image of Ingenuity was taken on June 15, 2021, between its 7th and 8th flights.